Hello, it's a new day, full of potential and guidance from the universe. Let's discover what insights today's tarot card holds for us. The tarot is a wonderful tool for daily reflection. Today, we have pulled the Star card. Look at this beautiful imagery. What does it evoke for you? The star typically symbolizes feeling lost or uninspired, like most of us do these days because of what's happening on with the world. The star reverse invites us to confront our darkest doubts and find the light within us. Discover how to navigate these times and rekindle your inner guidance. Swipe up for full guidance and support. Whether it's about new beginnings, overcoming challenges, or nurturing relationships, this card has a message for us. What does the Star card inspire for you? Share your thoughts, and if you want to dive deeper into the tarot, check out my webinar on tarot readings on YouTube channel, both in Arabic and English. In my book, The Book of the Tarot, I give a description of the reversed meaning of the Star card. Pessimism and lack of judgment due to muddled feelings and thoughts, feeling disappointed, feeling a sense of failure, losing hope, depression, limited vision, and doubts, mistrusting inner guidance, suffering a creative or motivation. What does it mean for you today?